Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is foreign direct investment. This topic relates to Indian economy section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. India recorded $81.04 billion in FDI inflows in fiscal year 2024 to 2025, marking a 14% increase over the previous year. The data was released by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The services sector led with a 40.77% growth, followed by manufacturing and trading. This is part of India's long-term trend of growing FDI, especially since 2014. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 4th June at 8 a.m. and the Hindi medium batch will begin on 9th June at 3 p.m. For more details, contact 8750187501. Now let's discuss key sectoral and state trends. The services sector received the highest FDI equity inflow at $9.35 billion. Computer software and hardware followed with 16%, and trading with 8% of total inflows. Manufacturing FDI grew by 18%, reaching $19.04 billion. Maharashtra topped among states with 39% of total FDI, followed by Karnataka, 13%, and Delhi, 12%. The increase highlights robust investment in both traditional and emerging sectors. From 2014 to 2025, India received $748.78 billion in FDI, a 143% rise from the previous 11 years. This accounts for almost 70% of India's total FDI in the past 25 years. Now let's talk about global and policy drivers. Singapore, 30%, Mauritius, 17%, and USA, 11%, were the top FDI sources. The number of FDI source countries grew from 89 in 2013 to 14 to 112 in 2024 to 25. Reforms include 100% FDI under automatic route in coal mining, contract manufacturing, and insurance intermediaries. The Union Budget 2025 proposes 100% FDI for companies investing their entire premium within India. Liberal policies in sectors like defense, insurance, civil aviation, and retail have boosted inflows. It's time to test your knowledge, and the question is, which sector received the highest FDI equity? A. Manufacturing. B. Services. C. Trading. D. Real estate. Send the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.